Hello, my dear learners. I am Teacher Shira, and welcome to another English class with me. Learning the meaning of a word through its use in a sentence or paragraph is the most practical way to build vocabulary, since a dictionary is not always available when a reader encounters an unknown word. For today's lesson, we are going to learn about the different types of context clues and how it helps in developing our vocabulary. Before we start our lesson for today, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Ring the notification bell for more updates. Like, share, and comment in this video. Because learning is bliss, learn with Teacher Shira. Let us start by defining what are context clues. Context clues are hints found within a sentence, paragraph, or passage that a reader can use to understand the meanings of new unfamiliar words. A reader must be aware that many words have several possible meanings. Only by being sensitive to circumstances in which a word is used can a reader decide upon an appropriate definition to fit the context. There are several different types of context clues. Today, we are going to learn the 5 most common types of context clues. These are the definition or explanation clues, restatement or synonym clues, contrast or antonym clues, inference or general clues, and lastly, we have the punctuation clues. Let us begin with the first type. We have here definition or explanation clues. Sometimes, a word's or phrase's meaning is explained immediately after its use, or sufficient explanation may be given within the sentence or in the following sentence. Let us have an example. Fluoroscopy, examination with fluoroscope, has become a common practice. In this example, the word fluoroscopy is immediately defined using an appositive. Positive is a word or group of words or phrases that identifies or explains the noun or pronoun that it follows. Next, we have restatement or synonym clues. Synonyms are words with the same meaning. The reader may discover the meaning of an unknown word because it repeats an idea expressed in familiar words nearby. This is an example. Flooded with spotlights, the focus of all attention, the new Miss America began her year-long reign. She was the cynosure of all eyes for the rest of the evening. The word cynosure means the focus of all attention. Notice that the meaning of the word cynosure is given in the first sentence. On third, we have contrast or antonym clues. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. An opposite meaning context clue contrasts the meaning of an unfamiliar word with the meaning of a familiar term. Words like although, however, and but be signal contrast clues. Let us have an example. The twins were as different as day and night. Atsumu was a lively conversationalist, but Asumu was reserved and taciturn. Since the twins are described as different as day and night, therefore taciturn is the opposite of lively conversationalist, which means taciturn means silent or untalkative. On number 4, we have inference or general clues. Sometimes sufficient clues might be available for the careful readers to make an educated guess at the meaning. Let us have an example. She told her friend, "I am through with blind dates forever. What a dull evening. I was bored every minute. The conversation was absolutely vapid. The meaning of the word vapid is uninteresting. We can deduct its meaning with the use of some clue words in the sentence, such as dull evening and the word bored. For the last type, we have here punctuation clues. Readers can also use clues of punctuation and type styles to infer meanings, such as quotation marks showing the word has special meaning, dashes, parentheses, or brackets enclosing a definition, and italics showing the word will be defined. Let us have an example. Tom's father was a haberdasher or men's shopkeeper in the story. Notice that the phrase men's shopkeeper is italicized, meaning to say that is the meaning of the word haberdasher. To summarize, we have 5 common types of context clues. These are definition or explanation clues, restatement or synonym clues, contrast or antonym clues, inference or general clues, and punctuation clues. Always remember that context clues are hints found within a sentence, paragraph, or passage that a reader can use to understand the meaning of a new or unfamiliar words. A reader should rely on context clues when an obvious clue to the meaning is provided in a sentence, or if a general sense of meaning is needed for the reader's purpose. But when a precise meaning is required, we should always consult the dictionary. That's all for today, my dear learners. Thank you and God bless.